Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can add and set up the routine in the ROBOROCK Qrevo S. The first step, open the application, enter the robot and go to the routine. Now tap on the add routines. Now select that you want to choose the room cleaning, some cleaning or the full. Then select the room. If you want to edit the settings, tap on this button. Now you can select the suction power, the water flow, count of the cleaning and the row type. If you want to customize it for the single room, just tap on the customize and click on the save. Then tap on the complete and add the name of the routine. Click on the OK, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.